Ursula.
And I'm Aista. Welcome to our channel. Now we are in Anticafe. The name is My Room.
There are many games here. We will try to play. Let's go.
Yes, many games in here like PlayStation, many cards like Uno or something else. And there are free sweets and coffees or tea or something else. And today is holiday for us, so we want to cheer up. So we went to here. Woo!
We drank coffee.
Now we are going to race. I think I'm going to win.
Ready, go!
There are many types of cards. Now we are going to choose and play it.
Round 3. Round 4.
We spent our holiday very extend.
How's your holiday going on?